ferry ride on New Year. New Year was about to come and Gattu Chinky were sitting in the living room looking at the New Year cards they had brought for their friends. Then Papa comes there and says to Mummy, "Can I have a cup of tea?"
No. In winters, you just keep asking for tea the whole day. Today, I will make soup for all three of you.
What? Soup? Okay, whatever you feel is right.
Papa, how will we celebrate New Year this time?
Yes, Papa. This time we have to do something exciting.
Hey, there is so much exciting to do, kids. This time too, I will get passes to our favorite 5-star restaurant from my company. So we will all go there. Papa and Mummy thought that Gattu and Chinky will be happy after hearing this. But it is just the opposite.
What? But Papa, dinner parties at 5-star hotels are so boring.
Yes, Papa. We go there every time.
What? But I thought that you both will be happy after hearing about the restaurant. Gattu and Chinky were sad after hearing about the restaurant. But to keep Papa happy, they say to him,
No, Papa, we are not sad. It's just like that.
Yes, Papa. Gattu, come. Let's go to our room now.
Gattu and Chinky go to their room without saying anything. Seeing this, Mummy Papa get a little worried. Looks like this time we will have to plan something different for Gattu Chinky on New Year.
Why will they be happy? These parties in 5-star restaurants are so boring. Everyone sits quietly, listen to music, eat and drinks and come back home. What fun is there in this?
Then we will have to think of something else. Mummy Papa get lost in thought. New Year was about to come and Gattu Chinky were not excited at all. But Mummy Papa do not say anything to them, and on the evening of 31st, Mummy Papa come to Gattu Chinky and say, "Gattu Chinky, come on, get ready quickly. We are going to celebrate New Year."
Yes, kids. Today we are going to have a lot of fun. This will be our best New Year till date.
What? But Mummy, we are only going to that restaurant where we go every year.
What is so special about it?
Yes, Mummy. I am not excited for this at all.
Oh no, kids. First you all get ready. Today we are not going to that restaurant, but to some other special place. And this is a surprise for you. Now hurry up, otherwise we will be late. On hearing the name of surprise, Gattu Chinky get very excited and get ready very quickly. Today Mummy, Papa, Gattu and Chinky all were wearing matching colored clothes. Mummy was wearing a red suit, Chinky a red frock, and Papa and Gattu were wearing red shirts.
Mummy, Papa, Chinky, today our family looks exactly like family of red tomatoes.
Hearing this from Gattu, all start laughing. After this, all of them sit in their car and reach Gateway of India.
Mummy, Papa, why have we come here?
Chinky beta, just wait for some more time. Then you will know everything.
Mummy Papa close the eyes of Gattu and Chinky and take them to a ferry lit up with lights. After reaching there, Mummy Papa open their eyes.
Wow! Ferry rides!
Yes, kids. Today we will celebrate New Year on this beautiful ferry ride.
Yes, Dad. I am so excited. Come on now. Let's go on the ferry quickly and sit.
Okay, kids. Let's go. After this, Mummy Papa take Gattu and Chinky on a ferry ride. Soon the ferry starts, taking them towards the deep waters of the sea. The sun was setting and the view ahead was very beautiful.
Papa, Mummy, this view is so beautiful. Yes, Mummy, I have never seen a more beautiful view than this.
Really, Gattu Chinky? And all this is only because of you. If you people had not said that going to a restaurant is boring, then I would never have thought of coming on a ferry ride.
And we would have never celebrated the New Year in the middle of the sea.
Mummy, Papa, what else will happen next?
Gattu, first of all, we will all stand here and enjoy this sunset. And then as soon as we reach the middle of the sea, then the real New Year party will start. We will all be welcomed with lots of music, dance and tasty snacks.
And not just this, kids. The New Year party, which is going to start on this ferry ride, will have lots of games. And there will also be a lucky draw. And we'll get its result as soon as the New Year starts.
Wow! It's so much fun just listening to all of this.
Then what? First, Gattu enjoys watching the sunset with Chinky, Mummy and Papa. And as it starts getting dark after the sunsets, party music starts playing in the ferry and everyone present there starts dancing. But then a host comes and welcomes everyone on her mic.
Welcome friends! I am the host of today's wonderful New Year party. My name is Poonam. Friends, you all must have already enjoyed dancing to this wonderful music. But if you want to participate in today's lucky draw, you all can come to me and get the tickets.
Gattu Chinky get excited and say to Mummy Papa,
Papa, come. Let's quickly get the tickets for the lucky draw.
Yes, let's go kids. We'll get the tickets. Gattu Chinky go to host Didi and say to her,
Didi, we also want a lucky draw ticket.
Yes kids, why not? Take this.
But Didi, please give us the ticket which has the lucky draw number so that we only win.
Hearing this from Gattu, everyone starts laughing. After getting the lucky draw ticket, Gattu and Chinky also start dancing. Both of them dance for a long time on hip-hop music. Gattu, Chinky make Mummy and Papa also dance a lot with them. After some time, Mummy says to Gattu and Chinky,
Children, now dance later. See, the buffet system has started. Come, let's have some snacks first.
Gattu Chinky go to the buffet system with Mummy. They see that Papa was already having snacks there. There were many types of snacks kept there, like cutlets, paneer tikka, veg roll, momos and many more.
Oh my god, Chinky, they have my favorite cutlets too. And my favorite paneer tikka too, Gattu. Let's get going on it.
Then Gattu eats lots of snacks of his choice.
Gattu Chinky, just a little more time and then we all will get together and welcome the New Year.
Yes kids, it will be a lot of fun to watch. As soon as it strikes 12, lots of firecrackers will be lit in the sky.
Surely, Papa?
Yes kids, and lots of them too. Because from here we will be able to see the whole city. And people of the whole city welcome the New Year by lighting lots of firecrackers.
Yes kids, just see how the whole sky will sparkle with the beautiful and bright firecrackers.
Mummy, Papa, Gattu, Chinky were talking to each other when the host makes an announcement.
Friends, just a little more time. Then we will all start the countdown and welcome the New Year.
Yay!
As soon as there are 10 seconds left for 12 o'clock, everyone on the ferry starts counting down together.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Mummy, Papa, Happy New Year to you too!
Happy New Year, kids! Then suddenly a lot of firecrackers start burning in the sky. And everyone starts looking at that scene. After the firecrackers are lit, the host again makes an announcement.
Happy New Year to all of you friends. And now it's time to announce the winners of the lucky draw. And the lucky winner is Gattu Chinky, who will get a brand new laptop from us.
Wow, a new laptop! Yay!
Gattu Chinky start jumping while hugging each other out of joy. After that, they go to host Didi and take their gifts. Actually, this New Year had brought a lot of luck for Gattu Chinky. But now it was quite late. So Mummy Papa take Gattu Chinky to the room which they had booked in the ferry itself. Both were so tired that they fell asleep immediately after lying on the bed. The next morning, Gattu returned home with Chinky, Mummy and Papa. The welcoming of this new year was very special for them.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.